everyone, today we would like to present our new business, the PRICER. PRICER is a term used in Nigeria to indicate people who are considered serious bargain hunters. Of course, people want to pay the lowest price as possible as they can. So, here's our suggestion to satisfy all those people's needs. PRICER is a web solution that utilizes advanced technology to search for the best available prices for consumer electronics, both online and in-store closest to you. Buying electronics for the first time is very stressful, and the COVID-19 had made it even more so. In an ongoing pandemic, visiting stores after store to compare products and prices become very difficult and quite risky. Our solution today will save your time and money, but also reduce your stress and anxiety involved in store shopping. With our specialized technology of the web scraping software and GPS locator, we'll provide customers the right store location and also lists of available products at the best deals in those stores. We'll further dedicate to expand our product range through firm brand partnerships with Best Buy, Amazon Electronics, Walmart, and The Source to finally bring high customer satisfaction in the upcoming business. You may prefer to buy electronics in closest big stores, feeling and touching the physical products, or some of you may just go to digital online, Google it, and the products just come up. No worries, we'll guide you to select the best products, best deals, and also guide you to the closest stores which has those products. Our web solution PRICER makes it convenient for our customers to get up-to-date information on consumer electronic goods in online and stores. It presents them with the best cost-saving options wherever we can, as Canada and countries around the world tackle with the effect of COVID-19 on the economy. And most importantly, peace of mind, which will make customers feel more comfortable and relaxed. For our business, here's what we are looking for. If you want to find the best deals of electronics, but easily in one click, or have no enough time to do research, so need any recommendation, or have a limited budget to buy electronic goods, just visit us, we can help you. Suggesting our service to potential customers, Canadian households, IT students, and new immigrants coming to Canada, we validated that 90% of our respondents were interested in our services at the point that they can reduce time and efforts of visiting at least 3 websites to research information to find cheaper prices before purchasing electronics. One other good news, 75% of them would support our service by paying a small fee to receive benefits, including discount coupon and advertisement removal in application. Yes, PRICER as a startup business would face strong competitors such as Google Shopping, and of course we need more time, effort, and investment to take a strong position in existing businesses. However, under the current COVID-19 pandemic, which leads people to online shopping, and people's absolute needs of well-organized price comparison services for consumer electronic goods, we can emphasize our strengths to survive in high competitions. With our fast delivery of information in real time, offers of perfect satisfying deals in product price and quality, and also the feature of easy navigation in our websites and application. We're also trying to capture direct daily promotions in retailers on website with our web scraping technology as fast as possible. Using our online domain and application, PRICER will help users and overall completely enhance consumers' online and in-person shopping experience when it comes to buying electronic goods. By suggesting multiple reputable electronic shops close to individuals to help them save money over the years. Some of our product features could consist of our user-friendly search and filter options to better allow and help individuals narrow down what it is they're looking for. Another would be all of our daily up-to-date prices and information on sales and products, as well as our 24-hour availability for our service, our custom settings designed for personal preference and consumers, and finally, our easily usable application designed with easy navigation, and our shopping cart that better allows users to look and list their favorite items and choose how and what they want to view, buy, or save their item for later. Our different revenue models consist of our different premium subscriptions that allow users to purchase and access more options and settings while using the application. And for their daily wants and needs, our advertising placements that brands and organizations will pay for in order to better market their product on our application and website PRICER. Freemium, which provides free basic services when our users use and download our application or website, but then they need to pay for additional and extra features within it to better fit their extra needs or wants. Moreover, our alliances with potential retailers, electronic store chains, or local businesses, which should create and allow us to advertise retailers' products more often in exchange for some type of deal or commission. Thank you for listening our presentation and happy holidays.